Today I'm going to share one of my favorite secret recipes with you. A magical liquid fertilizer that's loaded with nutrients. It's extremely simple to make, and the best part is that it uses ingredients you probably already have in your garden. Your plants will absolutely love it. So, stick around, and I'll show you how to make this potent brew that will have your plants thriving like never before. Before we start making this magical liquid fertilizer, make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. I have more simple gardening tips to share, and you won't want to miss them. Now let us get started. The first step is to collect various weeds from your garden or wherever you can find them. The more types of weeds you collect, the better, because each one contains unique nutrients that can benefit your plants. Some weeds are high in nitrogen, others in potassium, and some may contain additional trace minerals. By using a variety, you ensure that your plants have a wide range of nutrients to thrive on. Once you've collected your weeds, cut them into small pieces. This allows them to break down more quickly in the water. After chopping, use a net-like cloth, such as an old pillowcase or mesh bag. You're going to use this cloth to make a pouch for your chopped weeds. But before you tie it up, mix in a small amount of bone meal. Bone meal is an excellent addition because it is high in phosphorus, which aids root development, flower, and fruit production. Next, you'll need a 5-gallon bucket. Fill the bucket with rainwater or non-chlorinated water. It is critical to use chlorine-free water because chlorine can destroy beneficial microorganisms that aid in the breakdown of weeds into nutrients. Once your bucket is full, immerse the weed and bone meal pouch in water. Close the bucket lid after ensuring that the pouch is fully submerged. If you don't have a pouch, you can just toss the weeds into the water. However, using the pouch makes things easier because you won't have to strain the liquid later. Let the mixture sit for about 2 weeks. During this time, the weeds begin to decompose and nutrients leach into the water. The bone meal will also start to release nutrients, enriching the tea even more. You may notice a strong smell as the weeds decompose. This is normal and indicates that the process is working. After 2 weeks, take the pouch from the bucket. If you did not use a pouch, you will need to strain the liquid to remove any solids. The liquid left behind is your weed tea, which is now nutrient-rich and ready to feed your plants. Before using, dilute the tea with water in the proportion of 1 part weed tea to 10 parts water. This dilution is necessary because the tea is quite potent and can overpower your plants if used directly. Once diluted, use it to water your plants, providing a nutrient-rich boost that promotes healthy growth. Using a variety of weeds in your tea is beneficial because each type of weed contains a distinct set of nutrients. By combining different weeds, you create a well-rounded fertilizer that can address multiple nutrient requirements in your garden. The bone meal provides additional benefits, especially for plants that are fruiting or flowering, because phosphorus and calcium are essential nutrients during these stages of plant development. This weed tea is a great way to turn what would otherwise be considered garden waste into something extremely beneficial to your plants. Furthermore, by using rainwater or non-chlorinated water, you ensure that all beneficial microbes remain active, allowing your garden to grow even more vigorously. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more gardening tips, please like, subscribe, and check out our other videos.